Martin from Finance Oracle. I am here again today to share with you a beautiful concept that will help you to build your business. But before I start today, I want to seize this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. You're the reason why I've got all the energy to do this video. You're the reason why I'm here today, and I want you to continue to follow up and support me. And I also call on those who are just joining today, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell. We are going to be sharing beautiful concepts that will help you to develop your business and to make a new life for yourself. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you 11 steps to start your business. Well, if you must know, there are different steps to start your business, and if you do not know these steps, you will not be able to succeed in your business. Number one is to conceptualize your idea. Well, the question is, do you think you can do a business without having an idea? No. There is a great man who is called Walt Disney, who have given a famous quote, and he said, if you can dream it, you can do it. First, you must have to dream it, then you can do it. I want to tell you the things that has to do with conceptualizing your business. Number one, you have to look at business you love. Passion will be a full force and a full energy for you to be able to start a business. What you love drives you. There are a few cases whereby you can do a business even when you don't love it because you really need the money. But most time, if you do a business that you've got passion for, you will be able to excel because you're going to have creative ideas at every point in time. You're going to be able to recreate ideas that will help you succeed in your business. Next is strength. You have to weigh your strength and you ask yourself this question, do I have the capacity to run this business? If your answer is yes, then you're good to go. Next is your skills and talent. Your skills and talent could be the reason why you will do well in your business. You have to measure your skills and talent and you ask yourself if you have gotten all the required skills for this business which you have dreamed. Another thing is your education and your training. Your education and training has an important role to play because they are going to form the prerequisite why you will be able to succeed. And lastly is your goal. Your goal in life, what you want to become, is part of the reason why you will succeed. Number two is conduct market research. Market research is very important because it's going to expose opportunities that will help you to turn your idea into a successful business. Again, conducting market research also will help you to understand potential customers for your business and businesses that already exist. Operating in this that already exists and operating in this area. You have to also run a comparative analysis. Comparative analysis means that you will be able to say, okay, this business is running and is doing well. If I could do these things and I could add these factors, then I would be able to also do much better. It will also help you to gain information to find a competitive advantage. Sometimes you must weigh what businesses are running in that field and how you can gain an edge and get more customers and get more patronage than them in order for you to strive and to succeed. Again, it will help you to improve the concept and your product design. Whatever it is, whether it is a product design or it is a services, conducting a market research will help you to develop this concept. Again, lastly is to create a unique selling point. Once you do a market research, it will help you to understand what is happening in the market, who are the people existing in the market, what are the services they give, and then you will be able to develop a unique selling point. Your unique selling point could be quality. It could be that you have premium package. What do I mean by premium package? I've got a car mechanic workshop and you come and repair your car, and I say for any repair up to X Naira, I am going to give you a free car wash. That is premium. These are part of the things you could think about and build your business towards achieving a successful growth. Third is write your business plan. It is very important to write a business plan because your business plan forms the foundation of your business. Without a business plan, then you're going to run into crisis because your business will be done without a roadmap, because the business plan itself is a roadmap for how to structure, run, and grow a new business. Without the business plan, definitely you are not going to be able to run a business successfully. Most of the time, people write business plan unknowingly. Yes, by the time you say, I'm going to do this, this is how I'm going to do it, these are my market, these are my products, and all that. You're writing a business plan. But instead of writing it unknowingly, undocumented, it is better you document it and make your projections, and this will lead you to success. Your business plan also will be part of the reason why you could be able to convince people to work with you or to invest or to finance your business. It is definitely a smart choice for you. You can get online resources on how to build a business plan, because some other person will tell me I don't have the knowledge or the technical ability to build a business plan. You can go online and search, then you are going to get a lot of other inputs. Well, number 4 is fund your business. Definitely you need funding for your business, but some other time it becomes difficult to get this funding because you do not have the resources and you do not know the people who, maybe you may not know the people who could lend you money. But then there are a number of ways to fund your business. It could be from your savings, or it could be also from family support and a whole lot of other places. But then for you to be able to fund your business, you have to be creative if you do not have money. While your business plan, like I said earlier, could be a reason why people will be able to borrow you money. You could also raise money by collaboration or financial. There are people who their job is get me a good business plan and I'm going to finance it. That is the reason why you must write a business plan. And if you do this, then you'll be able to get people who will finance your business. Otherwise, you could have the plan, you could have the ideas, but you do not have the finance, then you can collaborate with some other person. Another odd thing to do is you can take jobs and save up money for some time and revisit your plan. Number 5 is pick your business location. You know, it looks a bit funny if someone will say, I've not gotten a business and yet they are asking me to pick my business location. Well, your business location is one of the most important decisions you will make. Ask me why. Well, whatever business you do, the choice you make is very important because it's going to affect your taxes, your legal requirement, and your revenue. Well, let me tell you, your revenue is deeply going to be affected if you do not choose a location where you can have people who will patronize you. Depending on what kind of business you do, then you will decide what location to choose. Again, some businesses, some areas are free zone and some areas are high tax area. So it all depends on where you choose will determine the kind of taxes or revenue you may have to pay. Sixth is choose a business structure. Well, what do I mean by business structure? I don't mean a house, but I mean you have to decide if your business is going to be a sole proprietor, a limited liability company, or a corporation. It all depends on what your dreams are. You want to grow very big, you can't grow very big with a sole proprietorship. Mostly, you have to be either a limited liability company or a corporation, because most companies will not accept you to do business with them if you are not a limited liability company. So it is important that you decide what kind of business structure you must use. Number 7 is choose your business name. Well, you could ask me if business name is very important. Yes, it is very important. It is sometimes not easy to choose the perfect business name, but then your business name should reflect your brand and capture your spirit. This is very important. It must be able to point to people that this is what your brand is. I ran a fast food company and the business name was Spice and Slice. Immediately you hear it, then you realize that this has to do with an eatery. So it must reflect your brand and it should also capture your spirit, and you yourself will know, yes, this is this business I'm running. Again, you will also have to check if this is already registered by someone else, because if your business is already registered by someone else, you can't register it. So before you start, after promoting your business, you realize you can't register it, check if your business has been taken by another company or not. Number 8, register your business. Well, it is important for you to register your business, because if you did not register your business, you are not able to protect your brand. At the end of the day, you might have grown your business, someone else will register it. Again, if you don't register your business, like some states will tell you, register with the state and also with the federal government, you will not be able to do business with many companies. So sometimes you may start small, and at a point you realize that you are not doing business with companies. It is very important for you to register your business so that you'll be able to do all this. Number 9 is get federal and state tax IDs. If you don't get a TIN, which we call tax identification number, you are not going to be able to do certain operations such as opening a bank account, such as registering with companies as a vendor, as a contractor, and doing many other transactions, including importation and exportations. So it is important as a business that you register a business and get your tax IDs. It is your social security number for your business. So make sure you have it. Well, next I'm going to be saying is you need to open a business bank account. Your business bank account is very important because it's going to handle your money appropriately. It is the only place you can save your money. Otherwise, when all your money is in your pocket or in your personal account, you can actually misuse it. Therefore, it is important for you to open a business bank account. It will also help you to be able to transact with companies because most companies will not pay money into your personal account unless it is a business account. So it will help you to, as a small business, to be able to handle your day-to-day accounting and also be able to handle your taxes and every other revenue you may have to pay. But the good news is it is quite easy for you to open an account. So what are you waiting for? Today, you have gotten 11 tips and 11 steps on how to start a business. I wish you the best of luck and I expect to see new business sprouting up. If you have questions, please comment in the comment section. If you also have any topic you want me to discuss, comment it in the comment section. If you like this video, make a comment in the comment section. Continue to keep tab with us. I will continue to share beautiful concepts with you. Please remain subscribed with us. Ciao.